So apparently, everyone on coding YouTube has suddenly developed a case of, if I could start over, here's how I'd learn to code. Oh, really? Wow. Nobel Prize for hindsight, sir. Let's be honest. Most of those videos are either secretly trying to sell you a $999 bootcamp, or they assume you have 27 hours a day to just learn everything. So here's my version. No nonsense, no fairy dust, no become a developer in 3 months and work at Google fantasy. Let's go. First off, coding takes time, like actual human years, not 3 weekends and a Udemy coupon. If you're thinking you'll go from what's HTML to full stack billionaire in a summer, nope. That's called a heat stroke, not a career path. Second, stop getting bullied into Harvard's CS50 like it's some sacred rite of passage. It's good, sure, but unless you plan to impress your toaster with a C program, you don't need it on day one. It's like trying to learn how to drive by building an engine from scratch. Chill. Instead, go to freecodecamp, HTML, CSS, boom. You'll cry a little when Flexbox doesn't flex, but it's fine. We all do. I finished the entire web design module in 3 to 4 weeks, but I treated it like a part-time job. If you're doing 30 minutes a week and wondering why you still can't center a div after 2 months, well, now you know. Next, JavaScript. But not JavaScript Ninja 2025, build 14 SaaS startups in 1-click level. Just basics, like what is a function? Can you write one without your laptop asking, are you sure about that? Now, do not build another Netflix clone. We've got enough. Netflix doesn't even know what it is anymore. Build something you actually care about. You like cats? Build a cat portfolio. You like spreadsheets? I'm sorry, but build one anyway. Make it in vanilla JavaScript. No frameworks, no React, no Vue, no Angular from the ashes. You need to know what the language itself does before you slap 1,000 lines of magic framework on top and wonder why it's broken. Once your project works, then and only then, rebuild it in React or whatever trendy framework you've decided to marry. It'll make sense because you'll finally understand why React is doing weird things, not just that it is. Also, don't go running to a 15K bootcamp just because your friend's cousin's neighbor got hired after one. Most of them charge you to Google stuff and pat your head when you pass FizzBuzz. You want structure? Use YouTube. Use forums. Use Discord servers. Use free. Oh, and meetup groups? They're not just for awkward small talk and stale pizza anymore. They're actually useful. Go, bring your buggy code and watch strangers help you out while silently judging your tabs versus spaces choices. Now here's the truth bomb. No course, bootcamp degree, or productivity hack will save you from the pain of learning how to learn. You will struggle. You will cry over semicolons. You will question your entire existence over a missing curly brace. But guess what? That's normal. That's programming. You're not here to hack your brain. You're here to train it like a stubborn dog that refuses to fetch unless you bribe it with peanut butter. Now get out there and build something dumb, beautiful, and broken. Break it again. Fix it. Break it again. That's how we all learn. And for the love of all that is semantically correct, don't build another Netflix clone.